Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Ledger hardware wallet to your Coinbase wallet. First, ensure your Ledger device is fully updated to its latest firmware. This crucial step guarantees compatibility and optimal performance between your devices. Next, install the Ethereum application on your Ledger through Ledger Live, as this is essential for managing your crypto assets. Finally, prepare your Coinbase wallet by either creating a new one or importing an existing one, ensuring it is ready for the connection process. Now, let's get your wallets ready. Open the Ledger Live application on your computer and connect your Ledger device using its USB cable. Make sure it is unlocked. Simultaneously, open your Coinbase wallet, either on your mobile phone or as a browser extension. You can create a new wallet or import an existing one. Confirm both applications are active and ready for the next step, which involves linking them together. To link your wallets, open your Coinbase wallet and look for the Settings or Add Wallet option. From there, you will see an option to connect a hardware wallet. Select Ledger. Your Coinbase wallet will then provide on-screen instructions. You will need to confirm this connection on your physical Ledger device by pressing both buttons simultaneously. This action securely authorizes the link between the two wallets. Once connected, you can view your Ledger-protected assets directly within your Coinbase wallet. When you initiate any transaction, such as sending crypto, you will be prompted to confirm and approve it on your physical Ledger device. This two-step verification process ensures maximum security for your funds. You now have the convenience of Coinbase Wallet combined with the robust, offline protection of your Ledger hardware wallet, giving you peace of mind for your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.